we've entered Azuga. It's the resort before Busteni. So it's Azuga, Busteni, and then Sinaia. Again, Azuga is really ghetto looking. Unfortunately, you can see all the rich man houses left deserted, abandoned, not taken care of. They're basically to the point of no return. Impossible to, let's say, return back to their initial beauty and life. This is another beautiful section of the road. It's let's say opened. Despite the fact we only have one lane. And again, the car feels awesome. And now that I can drive with the windows shut, I had to use the windshield wipers. The dirt was too much, but I did it only after 2 days following the windshield replacement. So it should be all well. And I mean, it was only on the glass itself. The stuff that drips on the sides, I mean, it's not something to worry about. But the car, I will keep it unwashed, so I will not pressure wash it for at least a month. I mean, I think the rain will wash it before I will do. I will not pressure wash it for sure for maybe even 2 months. I really will not have this in mind, just to let that silicone adhesive to harden and to settle down as well as possible. Now we are in Busteni, so this is something else. The mountain here makes the area so wished by tourists from all around the world. I remember back in the days when I was in college and I had to go to Bucharest by train. I met a family of Americans. They were from Seattle, and I guess this is all the battery, or maybe it's because of the high temperature. But yeah, as I told you, the Americans, although they were from Seattle and they have their impressive mountains, their children, they were really they loved to go hiking and climb the mountains. And when they saw this mountain right here, they were like, whoa, man, it's so beautiful. Our children would love this. So also here we have a castle. I don't know exactly if the battery is at fault or the temperature. Yeah, we have a castle of the old kings and royalty and princes here, on that side across the railway. And from that part you can see the, let's say, the entire town, the entire resort. So we're off again. And soon we will exit Busteni. Right here, before the let's say the exit of the resort, there is a really beautiful park. This right here, so it's lifted, and it is such a quiet place under the trees, all the vegetation there, and you can relax for a moment right near the busy street. So now we're exiting Busteni, and up next is Sinaia, and I will see you there.